If I gas the bananas just right, they'll ripen overnight. These bananas are ready for delivery. And disaster. Come back. I've got a banana just for you.
Wow, a banana? For me? Thank you, mister.
Take more, little friend. You deserve a whole bunch.
No!
The little kitten was so happy after getting bananas from the black rat, he ran to class to share them with his friends. Oh no! The little kitten and his friends ate the poisoned bananas without knowing anything. Oh my God! The whole class started feeling sick, and one by one, they had accidents in their pants. What happened to you all? Help! My students are sick! Send an ambulance now! Thankfully, the doctors arrived just in time. The kitten and his friends took the medicine, and we're finally safe!
Teacher, the white kitten brought bananas to class this morning. The black rat called me back and gave me the bananas.
Officer, a black rat gave poisoned bananas to my students. They've all gotten sick.
Why are you arresting me? What crime did I commit? I don't know.
Come have breakfast, son. You're gonna be late for school.
Bye-bye, Mom.
Bye, son.
Oh no, I'm late for school.
NANI?!
I'm late for school again.
Tom, you're late for school again. When will you ever grow up? Go back to your seat. Everyone, be serious. It's time for me to check your homework.
Oh no, I forgot to do my homework.
Tom, bring your homework up here.
I forgot to do my homework.
Stand up and leave the classroom immediately.
back home.
Explain to me right now what this is. I work myself to the bone to raise you and send you to school, and this is how you repay me? Getting bad grades all the time, huh?
I tried as hard as I could.
Enough! Go straight to your room and start your homework immediately.
Okay, Mom. Why does studying make me so sleepy? Alright, time to play some games for a bit.
The game was the only thing in his life that made him feel good. His teacher was always punishing him. His friends would constantly mock him and laugh at him. His mom was always blaming him. And deep down, he truly felt like a failure. Yet when he was gaming, all the weight lifted off his shoulders. In that world, he felt free, alive, and truly happy. He spent his days and nights playing, drawing lessons from every defeat.
Mom, I'm back from school.
Make sure you do your homework, sweetie.
Okay, Mom.
Victory!
What's that kitten doing in there making so much noise? What do you think you're doing? I told you to do your homework. Why are you playing games?
I already finished half of my homework. Just a little more and I'll be done.
That's enough! Today I'm putting an end to this game once and for all.
Please, Mom, don't smash it. I promise I'll do my homework.
Enough! I warned you so many times. You disobeyed me again. Now face the consequences.
I'm sorry. I'll never do it again. Please don't break it. A gaming competition? This is my chance. I have to join. I have to win. Excuse me, I want to join the gaming competition.
Don't worry. Just do your best and have fun. You'll be amazing.
Hello. Everything feels good. Let's win this.
You really think you can beat me? You'd better quit now, little loser.
I'll show you what I'm made of.
3, 2, 1. Game start. Victory! Final round.
Victory!
I'm sorry, my son. Is that you, Tom? I'm sorry, Tom. I shouldn't have treated you like that.
Okay, Mom. Let's go play.
The kitten is playing at the water park, and it's craving some ice cream. It quickly runs to the ice cream booth in the park to satisfy its craving.
Can I have an ice cream, please?
Here's your ice cream. Enjoy, kid.
Mommy, I want to go on the water slide.
Yes, you can, darling. Just be careful. Oh, no! Just when the kitten was having so much fun, it got a tummy ache and started throwing up. The kitten won't stop throwing up. Purple slime is everywhere. Oh my God! People scream and run in panic as the whole water park turns to chaos. Oh my God! My son!
Hello? We need emergency, now! Madam, your kitten has food poisoning from the ice cream.
No way! This is unacceptable! I'm reporting this to the police! The police arrived at the scene immediately and found the evidence still there. The black cat was caught and taken into custody.
I didn't mean to do that, I swear.
Mom.
No, I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'm gonna show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I'm so hungry.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I
Oh
got a
no,
vendetta
is there
against
really
people
no
who patent
food
it.
left?
Being negative when you should be getting after
I'm
it.
craving a hamburger
I got
so
facts
much.
over facts
I'm
over
going to
tracks,
the
this
store
and
to
that,
eat
spitting
now.
slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if
There's
that
no
can
shop
erase all the
nearby,
past and the
huh?
pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are the undefeated exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains and last.
So
And to
many
believe in what
options.
you got, you
All
was
the
built to
dishes I
last.
love.
Now that I've been put through,
Can I have one hamburger, please?
I had to do it all myself.
Thank you, little kitten. That'll be $2.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh.
Have some water while you wait for your burger.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always
The most delicious hamburger ever.
gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable.
Finally done.
Responsible, but
A
they're always
perfect
possible.
burger.
You just believe you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread.
Here's
I'll
your
be great
burger,
one day,
little
going
kitten.
off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving
Enjoy your
everything to
meal.
taste it. I'm patient, but my mind ain't I'm chasing a Gemini that is 7 ages of pain. Modern king.
This burger tastes a bit strange.
Now that I've been through, I never got anyone's help. Had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up. No,
Why does my stomach hurt?
if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
Our customer must have finished the burger by now.
and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.
Help
No, I don't
me.
take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it. Negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay. But I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. You think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are the undefeated exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains of past, and to believe in what you got, you was built to last. All myself. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the
Help me.
if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.
Hello? This is Officer Whiskers. What's the emergency?
Please help. There's a scary monster here.
A monster. We're on our way.
Make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. If you just believe you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, collage and they spread. I'll be great one day. I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I never said.